This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by grabbing the sticker files from WhatsApp so you can use them in Instagram. First, open the sticker pack, long press a sticker and forward or export it to your files. That preserves the original WebP. Once done, move those files into your photos or gallery so Instagram can access them. Make sure you have a basic file conversion app ready. You'll often need to change WebP to PNG with transparency. Do this now, because the next steps require image files in your gallery. Now you'll prepare each sticker image for Instagram. Convert WebP files to PNG so transparency is preserved. Aim for roughly 512 times 512 pixels to keep sharpness and avoid automatic compression. Once converted, remove any background. Use a background removal tool or manual eraser so the sticker sits cleanly over photos. After cleaning, export the PNGs back into your main gallery album. Make sure the files are not nested in obscure folders. Instagram's picker only shows accessible albums. Open Instagram Story Composer and load a background image or video, then tap the sticker icon and choose your saved PNG from the image picker. It appears as a custom sticker you can move, scale, or rotate. You can long press to pin it to a face or object in video stories. Finally, post or save the story. If the sticker looks blurry or shows a solid background, reconvert the file to a 512 pixel PNG with transparency and ensure both.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.